Number 9, you finished the open house. You've talked to all the potential buyers. Now it's time to shut it down. First thing you want to make sure you do, get the food out of there. If you've got a ton of perishables, make sure you throw them away or put them in the fridge. If you're throwing them away, make sure you take the trash out. The worst thing that can happen is the owner of the home comes home, they smell the garbage that's been sitting in there all weekend. If you've got candles, fireplaces, lights on, any of that, shut it all down. Lock the windows, lock the doors, close the gate, close the garage. Just make sure everything's off. Make sure it's clean too, so you want to double check the floors. Every room, go room to room, make sure lights are off, floors are clean. There's nothing that anybody left anywhere. From there, your last step is to pick up the signs. Always make sure you pick up your signs immediately after the open house. Don't leave them there overnight. The city will come take them. Signs are expensive. You don't want to have to get those reprinted. I actually have a story. When I first got into lending, I was holding an open house for another agent, and I had put up all her signs. It was a luxury property, really nice. One of the signs had gotten stolen. I actually picked them up right after the open house, but one of them had gotten stolen, and she was really upset. So you want to make sure you get those signs immediately. Don't leave any time in there where the city can take them down, or vagrants can kick them over, or competing realtors can snatch them up. Those things are expensive, so snatch them up and lock all your doors, turn off the lights, turn off the fireplace, don't burn the house down. All right, so if you enjoyed our content and it was useful, go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe down below. Or if you're looking to buy, sell, or refinance, make sure to reach out to us. You can give us a call, you can send us an email, you can even send me a text message. All of our information is in the description. Look forward to hearing from you.